Hello guys, welcome to Networkers Home. My name is Hidanshu Kapoor. Today I am going to start the third lecture of Microsoft Azure Fundamental Series. The exam code is AZ900. In this section, I am continue module 2. In the previous lecture, we already learned about Azure components like Azure regions, resource groups, availability zone, and ARM. I hope you remember these things. Now in this lecture, we need to learn about core Azure services, Azure products, and pricing. We need to learn these things. Core Azure services, Azure products, and pricing. Okay, so let's continue this lecture, guys. If I showing you one thing, so this is the website of Azure, azure.microsoft.com. Okay, so this is the website. Over there we can see all the products information, pricing information. Okay, and we'll see the services also. Okay, so if you can see that this is the product information we have. So if I expand this, if I click on this product first, so these all are products provided by Microsoft Azure. Now Azure works on so many things. It's not only works on infra, as we discussed earlier in the previous lectures. We discussed that Azure providing you so many services like infra as a services, platform as a services, and software as a services. So Azure provides you three services: infra, platform, and services, and software. I'm sorry, softwares. Now you can say that these are the products provided by Microsoft Azure. Number one is AI plus machine learning. Now, if you want to create any, if you want to use artificial intelligence or machine learning language, like if you want to create any language, okay, so we can use AI plus machine learning. So if you want to create applications using AI, okay, or machine learning, so we can use this. So this is the first product provided by Microsoft Azure, Microsoft Azure AI plus machine learning. Now next we have analytics. Now analytics means like if you want to categorize your data, okay, or if you want to you can say that if you want to store your data, analyze your data. Like I give you the example of Naukri.com. So when you apply a job, like imagine Naukri.com gives you one job portal. This is the job portal, and all the companies have posted their jobs on the portal. Okay, now you can open the portal, you can sign up first the portal and then open the portal, so you can see so many jobs are there. When you click on any job, that gives you all descriptions. Okay, like if the job is matched with your profile, so you can apply the job. Once you apply the job, your resume will be forwarded to that company, that particular company, and your resume is automatically goes to that company database. Okay, and with the help of they have their engineers, their analytic engineers, okay, who sort out the resumes. Like imagine if I have one job opening, in that I have 100 job, I got 100 resumes in that particular job. So what happens in that case? The company analytic engineers, you can say that verify, or you can say that analyze your profiles. Out of 100, imagine that they analyze that only 50 profiles are compatible with this job. Rest 50s are not compatible, so they discard all 50 profiles. Now the 50 profiles which is matched, they call one by one and ask the employers, like this. Okay, so that is what analytics is. If you want to analyze your data, if you want to categorize your data, we can use analytics also in Azure. Now next we have blockchain. Blockchain is used for you can say that build the applications. It's also a tool, you can say that, through which you can manage and build the applications. Okay, we have compute option also. In compute we can do so many things. We can create virtual machines, be able to create application services, okay, be able to create SQL servers on virtual machines. We can use virtual machine skill sets. So many things are there in compute. So compute is a infra part, you can say that. It belongs to infra part, and they gives you so many things. They give you this overview. If you click on see more, so they gives you complete information. Now this is the compute, you can say that virtual machines, Azure functions, web apps, mobile apps, Linux virtual machines, cycle cloud, so many things are there. Okay, so we can create so many things with the help of compute. Batch files also, if you want to create batch files, you can go for batch files also. AKS, okay, so many things are there. So this is the things. After that we have a containers. So in containers we have containers like first we need to understand containers. So container is what? It is used to maintain isolated apps. Okay, like imagine that I have some financial apps are there. I have some business. I have some application apps are running. I have some financial apps are running. I have some separate marketing apps are running. So I can make containers. Okay, I can make one containers and maintain all the apps. Okay, I create one container and I add all my financial apps in that. I create one container and I add all my IT apps in the container. So this is the containers we have. So many containers we can use in that. Okay, container instance, you can create container instance to managing the servers. Okay, so many things are there. This is all category of compute, database, developer tools, and all those things. Okay, so you can say that infra part, computers go for infra part. Okay, now after that we have a containers, databases. So databases we have. So if you want to create databases, okay, now if you want to create SQL database, Azure SQL database, Cosmos database, okay, if you don't want to use SQL database, you want to use a third party database, so we can use Cosmos. Okay, if you want to migrate the database, we can migrate the database as well. Okay, so many products are provided by, you can say DevOps means it's a development products. Okay, if you want to create software, you want to create teams, so we can go for these things. Okay, developer tools, we have developer tools, Visual Studio SDKs. Okay, developer tools integrations, if you want Python, if you want .NET, Java, PHP. Okay, so whatever products you want, you can go for this. So these are all the products provided by Microsoft Azure. Hybrid. Okay, networking. In networking, we can create virtual networks. Okay, we can manage we can create multiple networks. We can communicate our two virtual machines with the help of virtual networks. For networking, we can go for that. Media. Okay, if I want to use any live videos, I want to add any live videos, upload any live videos, I want to run live streaming, so we can use media services in that case. Storage services we have. If I need some storage, I want to save my data in the Azure, so we can use storage. Okay, we can go for security as well. Like if I want to secure my Azure portal or my network, so we can use the security. Okay, we have security center, VPN gateways, virtual gateway. You can say that is known as virtual gateway. You can call VPN gateway. Okay, VPN gateway is used to protect your sessions. Okay, protect your internet via internet sessions. Okay, secure and sentinel. So many things are there. Okay, as per the security. Then we have web applications. We have web apps also, API management also. So if you want to create any web apps, we can use web app. Web option is also there. If I want to create Windows virtual desktops, VDIs. If you want to create VDIs, you can go for Windows virtual desktops as well. So these are the products provided by Microsoft Azure. Now next we need to see the pricing. If I click on see the pricing over there, so we have pricing options are also there. Okay, so prices is always, remember that once you subscribe the Microsoft Azure, your pricing starts. Okay, by default your Microsoft gives you 30 days free trial. They have a subscription name, free subscription over there. You can see that we have a free account option is there also in the Azure portal. If you click on free account, so they gives you 30 days free subscription. In that 30 days, they gives you 13,300 rupees Indian. If you calculate in Indian currency, so you can call it 13,300. 13,300 rupees. Okay, and this amount only available in 30 days only, for 30 days only, this amount, that's it. After your subscription is automatically disabled. After 30 days, if you not upgrade your subscription, so your subscription is automatically disabled like this. Okay, so that is what we have. So we have pricing. So so your Microsoft only works on pay as you go pricing model. Okay, the model name is pay as you go. Pay as you go. This is the model, a subscription model, or you can say that pricing model. Okay, pay as you go. Pay as you go means, like, imagine that I can create one virtual machine. Okay, so when I start creating virtual machine, they're showing me the prices as well. Like imagine that I want to create Server 2016 virtual machine. So for Server 2016, I want 2 processors, 8 GB RAM, and all those stuffs. So when I'm going to create virtual machines, do not need to worry about it. I'm showing you the practical also when we see the virtual machines. So when I'm going to create a virtual machine, so what happens is showing me that per hour basis you need to pay this much amount, and per month basis you need to pay this much amount. Like imagine if my virtual machine runs 24 into 7, okay, every month 24 into 7 means 24 into 7 my virtual machine is running, so per month I need to pay that much amount. Okay, and if you run per hour basis, so in the per hour basis you need to pay that much amount, like this. Okay, so always remember that your Microsoft Azure is always runs on pay as you go pricing model. Okay, so that's what we have a pricing. So if pricing is this is the way of going the pricing, you can say that. Okay, fine. So if you talk about the pricing and all, so pricing is only, so if you talk about the pricing, so pricing model is only used by Microsoft is pay as you go. Okay, now next we have a support option is also there. If you click on support, so we have Azure support option is there. Click on that Azure support. So you can see that Azure support website is there. Okay, so we can so where your Azure supports you. Okay, where we want to we need Azure supports. We need Azure supports for testing and development and trial. Like imagine I want to make one. You can say that I want to make one make one demo network. You can say that I want to see my seniors, or you can say that I want to show my seniors that this is my network. So instead of physical servers, I'm using my Azure subscription. You can say that I subscribe my Azure free subscription for 30 days, and I just see the trial, I make the network in my Azure. Okay, and I'll show my this network to the seniors, the IT seniors and all those stuff. Okay, so they give me the trial period also. So for 30 days they give me the trial period. After 30 days the trial period is automatically disabled. The trial subscription is automatically disabled. Now we have a testing option also. If you want to test something, you can use Azure. If you want to develop something, you want to develop softwares or applications, then you can use Azure. In production workloads also we can use Azure. If you want to, if you have a very good network in your production, you want to migrate the network in the cloud, so we can use Azure in that case also. Okay, we can use critical functions also, like high security. They provide you high security, they provide you high availability. This is the critical functions. High availability is a very critical function. You can see that critical services provided by Microsoft Azure. Or high security gives you the high security options. Okay, so these are the plans. Or if I click on all plans, okay, so they're showing me the plans also. That see, you can see that support, the basic support. Like if I need, like imagine I purchased one subscription in my in Microsoft Azure. Now I have some issues. Okay, so if I need technical support from Azure, so we have one is basic. So in that they gives you this one 24/7 support. Okay, billing and subscription management support. They gives you ability to submit as many support tickets as you need. Okay, your free personal guide to Azure best practices or health status and notifications. They give you these 5 things in free. This is the free you can say support. You can say that. Okay, so in this include for all included for all Azure customers. So like imagine I am the Azure customer. I am purchasing some Azure services. Now if I need some support, so I can use the support over there. So we need to go for request support. So if I click on request support, so I need to make one ticket. You can say that. See, they automatically open my portal.azure.com. Over there I can use help and support. Over there I can click on new support request. So I just click on support request, and whatever issues I am facing in my Azure, so I need to fill all the things. Okay, but that ticket is automatically submitted in the Microsoft. So one of the Microsoft engineer gives you support like this. Okay, so like this we can use. Okay, so this is the way how we can go for this. Okay, now next we have a developer. So we have a purchase support also. This is a purchase support. So we have 3 plans: $29 per month, $100 per month, and $1,000 per month. Like this is for trial and non-production environments. So if I use this this support, so it's for only non-production environment and trial versions only. Okay, this is for production environments. This is for business critical dependence. Like if you have very big business, now you have some critical information you need to save in the Azure. So we can use this $1,000 per month dollar support. We need to go for that. Okay, so these are the plans for Azure support. If you want Azure support, you can use these plans also. Okay, so this is what we have. Okay, so we need to understand these things. Products, these are the products we have. Pricing, I already told you, Azure always use pay as you go model pricing. Okay, and we have Azure support as well. Azure support. So in Azure support, they gives you plans. You have 3 plans. Okay, with the help of that 3 plans, you're able to use these things. Okay, fine. So this is the 3 things we need to understand. And last one we need to understand in this section is solution. Okay. Okay. So now we talk about solutions. So if we talk about the Azure solutions, so Azure provides you so many services. Like imagine like you need some services. You need cloud services. Okay. You need some Azure services. Okay. Like how I need AI platform, I need IoT, I need SAP on Azure. Okay. If I need SAP, I need to install SAP in my on the cloud. I don't want to install SAP in my servers, so we can use Azure services in that case. Okay, so whatever problems you have facing in your business, you can contact with the Azure and you can use Azure services as well. Okay, like this they provide you so many things. They give you backup, blockchain, business intelligence, DevOps. So we already see in the product, so many products are there. So many services are providing you high performance computing. Okay, LOB applications. So these are the things. Mobile applications they gives you. Okay, knowledge meaning applications they give you. So many things are there. So many things are there. They gives you e-commerce also. E-commerce, like if you want Google Drive. Okay, you want you can say that you want secure shopping. Like imagine that I have some I have one website. That website is working on shopping. Okay, so in that case, I can use e-commerce services also with the help of cloud. Azure cloud is give me e-commerce services. With the help of the e-commerce services, I protect my shopping websites. You can say that. Okay, or like this. So Azure gives you so many solutions, so many services provided by their customers. Okay, to solve their problems. Okay, so in this lecture, what we need to learn, we need to learn about products. What is products? In this lecture, we learn about products. We learn about support. We learn about pricing, which pricing model Azure uses, and we learn about solutions. Okay, I hope you understand these things, guys. Thank you for watching.